We are out on the beach. My sister-in-law set up a fantastic bonfire. It's so pretty. It's to celebrate her son's 21st birthday. Beautiful. It's on the beach. She did such a wonderful job. This is such a fantastic idea. They have s'mores. They have fire. Oh, yeah, they have fire. They have a fire pit here. They also have a beautiful. It's just right on the beach. It's fantastic. We got food over there. We got games that we're playing. We're just going to enjoy ourselves and the night. So as I told you guys, we are out on the beach. This is an amazing evening. We have the bonfire going. We've got good food. Treese did a fantastic job planning this. An amazing idea. I had no idea. Like, she told me it was going to be a bonfire, but I had no idea the magnitude of the beauty. We had some fantastic weather today. Yes. And so finishing up the day with fantastic weather. The sky is beautiful. I'm blown away. I'm really enjoying the evening right now, but you will meet me in a second. My sister-in-law is the best. This is an amazing idea. So we're going to get ready to make some s'mores here in a minute. Day 3 from the beach, and we are up making breakfast. We just have a regular casual lazy day planned for today. Last night the bonfire was so much fun. Like, I really enjoyed it so much. We have a special drink that my sister-in-law is going to be making this morning, so I'm excited. Yeah. It's called a mermaid mimosa, so I'll get you guys some footage of that. But we're just having biscuits, eggs, sausage for breakfast. I'm having a bagel because I can't do a biscuit just yet. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm just so excited to be here. The fact that we have 2 days left, like, it's just really been a wonderful experience so far. I just feel so relaxed. And anyways, enough about me. I will talk to you guys a little later. We are making our mermaid mimosas. Yes. Nice. the finished product. Oh, stuck with me. And we are at breakfast. Yes. All right, day 3, and we are at the beach again. It's a beautiful day. This is my Sheen bathing suit, but I didn't put on the green skirt. But I'm out here looking like a, or whatever I am. The sun came out a little bit. The sun came out a little bit. It's a beautiful day. I'm determined to get as tan as I possibly can. Let me show you guys a little bit of the ocean. It's a beautiful day. The sky's a little cloudy. Looks like they're moving in and kind of moving out, but beautiful morning. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna soak it up in the sun out here a little while, go in and get ready for our dolphin cruise this evening, and then dinner afterwards. Yes, son, come on in. Paradise Adventures. We're getting ready to go on a sunset dolphin cruise. I am so excited. The rain has held off enough to where we can go and enjoy this. So we're all excited. This is something different. We're headed out to the boat. All right, y'all, go ahead and jump in and go for a swim. Oh, Lord. No, no, sir. It is so windy over here. Right, how you gonna get back out the water? There's probably all kinds of weird stuff in here, snakes and everything. All right, day 4. We've been kind of lazing around today. Not many plans until later. We're gonna go out to dinner, or an early dinner, and then maybe a couple of things afterwards. I'm not necessarily sure, but we're definitely just kind of taking it slow. My husband wanted it to be a chill vacation with not many plans or many scheduled things to do. I, on the other hand, want to be out here in these streets, but I guess that's where compromise comes in. So we're getting ready to head down to the beach and enjoy the second to last day here. It's been a great week so far. Just wanted to give you guys an update, and then I'll check in. Made it to Pineapple Willie's finally. Last night we couldn't make it. So let me show y'all the family and the view. So here's the family. And this is the view. I remember the last time we came, it was so many people out here. They were like all back up through here. But this is.
I'm gonna get a condo in here.
I won't be nowhere.
Yeah, the fight for space. We just walk right to the Pineapple Village.
Yeah, that was a good time. I don't think I can eat nowhere.
So we ended up getting margaritas and other alcoholic beverages.
Yeah. Yes.
So we finally made it. Last night we tried to come and it was packed out. They were taking no more customers. So, yep, we're here. I'll show y'all my dinner. So this is dinner. I am doing a fried shrimp. I'm so excited. Get a pan at the table. Little shrimp and grits.
Yes.
Do it.
Dig in.
What's going on with me? I ate, I think, 4 shrimp and a bite of corn. That's it. That's all. It was good though. So, all right, y'all. So we are at Rocket Lanes Bowling Grill Arcade Sports Bar. I don't see no. Oh, it does say skating. So this is interesting. I haven't done this in a long time. So next to last night here. I can't believe it. I can't believe it that this week has passed by so quickly.
I know. We're going. Got down to the end.
Right, so for the first time since my surgery, I'm gonna try and skate. We're gonna see how this works. I'm so nervous. I am 33 years old and haven't skated in a month of years. So, anyways, we're gonna see. The last time I went, I was scared because I was like, I'm too big. But we'll see. All right, goodbye. I'm doing it. For the first time ever. No, you're fine. It's me.